Currently 18 degrees. And it's nice and toasty in here. It's reading 71 on my thermostat. So this year I added this radiator heater, hooked it up to my central boiler, wood stove, in true redneck fashion. I added this cover here to keep some of my starts warmer. But this system that I have so far is doing nice. Plastic just helps keep some of the heat down. So this is my 10 by 12 Harbor Freight greenhouse. Put this in last year. Some of the things I did different other than the instructions indicated, as I attached it to a 4 by 6 base. And I didn't even use those little clips that came with it. I just used sheet metal screws, self-tapping screws. Well, I got the hot water piped in from the wood burner. I have this going 24/7, 365 days a year. And it's been running non-stop for about 6 years. Going on 7. Running at 195 degrees in the winter. The only thing I've had to replace is the cartridge on these tackle pumps. This is the main line that goes to the house, heats my hot water, heats the house, and this is the new pump for the greenhouse. So I've got it running on high right now, and it probably doesn't need to be running on high, but it's doing the trick. So I burn about a little over 10 cord of wood a year. And last year's the first year I actually purchased wood, so I was cutting it from the woods before. But it's doing the job. I think I paid about $700 for this greenhouse, so if you're looking to get it into a greenhouse, the Harbor Freight ones are pretty good quality for the price. Like I said, about $700. We get some pretty strong winds here, and they don't have any other supports than what it came with. And like I said, mounting it to the 4 by 6 base. So it's held up